Are you wondering how to sync Salesflare with Asana to improve your sales and project management workflow? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that step by step in just a few minutes. Whether you're a beginner or already familiar with Salesflare and Asana, stick around till the end because I'll also share an exclusive offer to get Salesflare for free with some extra bonuses. So let's dive right in. First, let me quickly explain what Salesflare is. Salesflare is a CRM designed to automate most of the sales process for small businesses and teams. It automatically collects data about your leads and customers, making it incredibly easy to track and manage everything from one place. If you're already using Asana, you know it's a great project management tool that helps teams organize, track, and collaborate on tasks. Now, syncing Salesflare with Asana can help streamline both sales and project management, ensuring everything is aligned and you're staying productive. To get started with syncing Salesflare and Asana, the first thing you need to do is sign up for both platforms if you haven't already. Salesflare offers a free trial, so you can get started without any commitment. You'll also want to make sure you have an Asana account set up and ready to go. Once you've got your accounts ready, the next step is to integrate Salesflare with Asana. Thankfully, this is pretty simple. The integration is available through Zapier, which acts as a bridge to connect your apps and automate workflows. If you don't have a Zapier account, you'll need to sign up for one. It's also free for basic use. Now, once you're logged into Zapier, click on Make a Zap to start the integration. The first step is selecting Salesflare as your trigger app. You'll choose the event that triggers the sync in Salesflare, like when a new lead is added or when a deal reaches a specific stage. Then you'll connect your Salesflare account to Zapier by following the prompts. Next, you'll select Asana as the action app. This is where you'll set up what happens in Asana when the trigger in Salesflare happens. For example, you could create a new task in Asana whenever a new lead is added in Salesflare. You'll specify details like the project, assignee, and any other task attributes you want to automatically include. Once everything is set up, hit the test button to ensure the integration is working correctly. If the test is successful, you're all set. Every time the trigger happens in Salesflare, your chosen action will occur automatically in Asana. Now, why is this integration so powerful? Syncing Salesflare with Asana helps you align your sales pipeline with your project management workflow. This way, your team can stay on top of tasks that are directly linked to leads and deals, improving both communication and efficiency. But what if you want more advanced features? Don't worry. You can always customize your workflows further within Zapier. For example, you can set up triggers based on specific deal stages in Salesflare and have tasks in Asana update automatically depending on your progress. Before we wrap up, here's a little bonus for you. I mentioned earlier that Salesflare has a free trial. And if you use the link in the description below, you can grab an exclusive extended trial. This will give you access to the full features of Salesflare without the usual time restrictions, helping you get the most out of the integration with Asana. So now you know exactly how to sync Salesflare with Asana and how it can help optimize your sales and project management processes. Don't forget to check out the link below for your free extended trial and get started with Salesflare.